Today celebrates 1 year on YouTube, and what better way to celebrate than to make some kimchi fried rice? Stay tuned. So here are all the ingredients you're going to be using for this recipe. Everything is going to be in the description box down below. And while you're down there, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel and comment on this video, whether you're going to try it or not. Now, I used a little bit of garlic. There's already garlic in the kimchi already, which is amazing. Everyone's recipe kimchi is also very different. I'm gonna link one of my favorite people, Maangchi. I'm gonna link her recipe down below, but you can also get it online in any Asian market that's near you. I'm gonna go ahead and saute this a little bit just to get it warm and cook through. And further down, I'm gonna go ahead and chop it up. But I want to kind of give a little backstory as to how I first had this dish. I was trying Korean food for the first time and mentioned to somebody that I worked with, a really good friend of mine, and she brought this in as a surprise and I fell in love. So I figured this is the best way to celebrate 1 year on YouTube, to go ahead and recreate this dish. So we're gonna go ahead and cut down the kimchi with some kitchen scissors. I think that's the easiest way. I tried with a knife before with cutting kimchi, and that's kind of a no-go because of how long it's been fermenting. It's just easier to cut through with double-sided scissors right there. I mean, scissors are automatically double-sided. What am I talking about? But we're getting all those big pieces. And if you're thinking that it's burning, don't worry, it's still fine. We're gonna go ahead and quickly add in that rice. This is leftover brown rice that I froze. Yes, you can freeze rice, and I love it. It's been so helpful for anytime I make a big batch of rice and don't know what to do with the rest of it. I can just freeze it and use it for a recipe like this. So now I'm going to add in a couple splashes of soy sauce, approximately about a half a teaspoon. You really don't need that much sodium because the kimchi has been bathing in salt for quite a while. You're going to go ahead and use that just to stir in the rice and get it all married together. Now, this is where I'm going to end it for my husband. He has a sesame allergy, so I don't even bother with adding sesame, not even the hint, not even if he begs me, because I've been across those allergy lives. It's not fun. So I'm going to scoop half of this rice out once I finish stirring and incorporating it. And now scooping half of that rice into a separate bowl for my husband. I also turned off the heat because I had it on high just to get everything cooked really quickly, because this is like a meal, like you're really hungry, you want something fast, is it. The sesame oil is super powerful if you have never used sesame oil before. So a fourth to maximum of half a teaspoon. So that's about a couple sprinkles on the rice is all you need. That sesame is very potent and it's gonna come out in the cooking. It's just, I think it's amazing. I feel like I can't have certain foods without it. It's just this, to me, one of the stars besides the kimchi. And we're done. Now, this is how my friend taught me to eat it. You take a big piece of seaweed. I do huge pieces, and I just dig it in like it's a piece of bread, scoop it in, and then shove it in my mouth just like that. But look how amazing that looks. See you in the next video. Thank you for stopping by and watching this video. If you haven't seen the previous video, go ahead and click on the box next to me. If you haven't already subscribed and this is your first time to the channel, the little logo down there, you go ahead and click on that and you're a part of the team. Now, see you in the next video. Bye.